Hello class, today we're going to be working in our math book on page 307. Okay, so I'm going to wait till you get it out. Tear it out of your book. You should have a pencil, of course. Okay, we have math words. Digit, hundreds, tens, and ones. If you remember, this is a place value chart, and we have hundreds, tens, and ones. We have 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 ones, which is the number 254. And if you remember, this is a 3-digit number because there's 3 different place values, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. This is a 200 flats, and so the value of the 2 is 200. 100 plus 200 is 200, and you can hear it, 254. Hear the 200? Now we have the 5 in the tens place, so the value of that 5 is 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if you hear the number again, 250. Hear the 50? 4. And then we have 4 in the ones place. The 4 is in the ones place. It's the value is 4. Remember, this is a 3-digit number. If I didn't have the 2, I just had number 54, it would be a 2-digit number. If I only had the 4, it would only be a 1-digit number. Okay, circle the value of the underlying digit. The first problem is 568. You hear 568. You know the last column is the ones column, so I have the value of 8 as 8 ones. Now I have the 5 underlined here, 509. I hear 500. That value of the 5 is 500 because it's in the hundreds column, and I have 5 hundreds. 945. I'm looking at the 4. Let's say the number again. 940. I hear the word 40, and that 4 is tens is worth 40. Okay. Now, it says write a 3-digit number that has a 4 in the hundreds place. Let's think of a number together. I want to do 624. Is the 4 in the... Oh, it said it in the hundreds place. So did I put a 4 in the hundreds place? No, I put the 4 in the ones place. So that's wrong. But if I wrote 462, now is the 4 in the hundreds place. So what is the value of the 4 in your number? It is worth 400. As when I wrote the number 624, this 4 would have been in the ones place, so it would only been 4. Okay, let's turn the page. Now you should be doing page 308. Let me erase all these. Okay, what is the value of the underlying digit? 683. You hear 600. It's in the hundreds column, so I have it's worth 600. 250. Ooh, there's a 0 there, so it's worth 0. 317. I only have 1 10, so it's worth 10. 509. It's in the ones column, so it's worth only 9. 735. It's in the tens column. I have 3 of them, so it's 3 tens or 30. 972. 972. What do you think it would be? If you said 900, you are correct. Why don't you try the next one by yourself? What is the value of the 9? Write your answer. Did you write 9? If you did, you're right, because that 9 is in the ones column and it's only worth 1. Do the same thing for 12. What is the value of the 2? I'm going to give you a couple of moments to write your answer. If you wrote 20, you're right, because this is 2 tens or 20. It says use the number in the box for exercise 13 and 14. Which number has a digit 4 with a value of 40? Go ahead and write your answer. Did you write 348? This 4 is 4 tens or the value of 40. Which number has a digit 3 with a value of 3? Go ahead and write your answer. Did you write the number 403? Yes, this 3 is in the ones column, so the value is only 3. If we look up here, 834, what does the 8 stand for? If you said 800, you are correct. The value of the 8 is 800. At a baseball game, the coach brings a water bottle for each of his players. How many water bottles do you think he brings? Circle the best answer. First, I'm going to think about how many players might be on a baseball team. Okay, just his players. Okay, I don't think there's going to be more than, say, 25. So, but it's going to be more than 2, maybe 20, but not 200 on one team. Maybe watching the whole game there might be 200. So the best answer would be 20. Dave wrote the number 286. He thinks the value of the 2 is less than the value of the 8 because 2 is less than 8. Is Dave correct? I'm going to let you think about that. Let's think about it. Okay? Now, in this number, this 2, what is the value of this 2? It's 200. What is the value of the 8? It's 800, I mean 80, right? 80. So which one is greater, the 2 or the 8? Of course the 2, because it's worth 200, as this 8 is only worth 80. Okay, now I want you to do now by yourselves lesson 7-3. Okay, 7-3, the next page, and page 309 and 310 by yourself, and we will correct it together tomorrow. So do it right now, page 309 and 310 by yourselves, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.